Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to forward or backward the date in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see the two columns. The first column is date and second column is months. Okay, so here I have not specified any kind of numbers in the months. Okay, so let's take an example of 1, and here we can take an example of 3, and here we can take an example of 2, or here we'll take an example of 4. Okay, so here you can see the date is 10th of March 1995, and here I have specified as 1 month. Okay, so let's try to remove this. Okay, so now what I am going to tell you is, suppose if you want to forward this date to some of the months. Okay, for example, the 10th of March 1995, and if you take an example of, if you want to fast forward this month to 2 months means, so 2 months means it will become like 10th of March means, and if you take an example of 2 months means, then it will come up to like 9th of May, something like that. Okay, 9th of May 1995. Okay, and suppose if you want that particular date means, like what you will do, like you will type like this, 9th of May 1995. Okay, okay, so for one or two rows we can do it manually, but if you have so many number of rows, like suppose if you have like more than hundreds and 200s of rows, like typing one by one date and calculating manually is really a time consuming, and it's not going to make sense like typing one by one date manually. Okay, because it's too much of time consuming, and it's not an effective way, like where you want all the calculations to be done quickly. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you one of the simple method, like where you can fast forward this particular date to specific number of months. Suppose if you want for 1 month or 2 months, or if you want for 10 months. Okay, so not only forwarding the date, also you can backward the date in specific number of months. Okay, so for example, if I just type it here as 3, okay, and suppose if I uh, want this particular date to be forwarded for 3 months means, so what you can do is, like here you can just type is equal to, and here you can type edate, open the bracket, and here you can select this particular date, comma, so number of months which you want to forward it, you can select it, and you can close the bracket and press enter. So here you can see, if you forward this specific date 11th of March 2024, and if you forward it to the 3 months means April, May, June, so that will become like 11th of June. Okay, so if you want for some like 5 months or 6 months or 8 months, 4 months, 2 months, 6 months, 9 months, 8 months, 7 months. Okay, so any number of months you can do it. So here I have already done it for one row. So if you want for all the row means, you can just drag it. So here you can see like the whatever the date you have mentioned and whatever the months you have mentioned here, it will be forwarded. Okay, similarly, if you want to backward the date in specific number of months means, you can just mention the minus here, minus, if I wanted to backward for some minus 2 months means, so here the March 2024, so like if you want to backward means, like here you can see the January 22 January 2024. Okay, so this is how you can forward or you can backward the months, forward the date with a specific number of months. So let's try to do it for all the rows. So here I want it for -1 month, so -5 month, sorry, -5 month, -9 months, -6 months, -3 months, -2 months, -4 months, -5 months, -12 months. Okay, so this is how you can forward the date whether you want to forward or you want to backward it, you can just do it with the formula is equal to e date and open the bracket, and here you can select the month. Then once you select the month, you can just press comma, then here, or you can just manually type the months, number of months you want to forward it, close the bracket and press enter. Okay, so here you can see instead of date it is showing it in numbers. If you want to convert this specific number to the date, means in the keyboard you can press Ctrl Shift and 3, so that will convert the number to the date. Okay, so this is how you can forward and backward the date with respect to the numbers in MS Excel. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in all. Thank you. Bye bye.